In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, just reach your contacts, then pick the contact that you would like to add this profile picture to, select edit, and now tap on add photo. And it's time to decide, because you can either take a photo, so you can smoothly grab the picture straight away, or you can choose something from your gallery, so some picture from previously taken ones. Let me find some picture here, for example this one. Then you can crop it, rotate it, just do whatever you want. I would add it this way, click on save copy and then save again. And as you can see, from now on this picture would be a profile picture of your dad's number, and anytime he will be calling you, you'll be able to see this profile picture at first. So that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.